This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.
Create 3D models like this nice futuristic scape right here without even having to have a 3D printer, and that's what we're going to talk about next.
You're watching CES 2014 coverage of the Tech Podcast Network. TPN.TV partners include Dropcam.com and their newest cloud-based web cameras. Visit TPN.TV/Dropcam.
Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here with Geekazine and the Tech Podcast Network over at TPN.TV. And you know, 3D printing is all the rage nowadays, and everybody's going, I wish you could get a 3D printer. And I'm looking at a 3D printer right now over there, and it's like, that thing is like thousands upon thousands of dollars, not to mention where am I going to put it, how am I going to deal with it, what happens if it breaks down, how do I have to clean it, so on and so forth. I just don't want to deal with some of that stuff. Well, that's where these guys come in. This is Whiteclouds, and we got Jeff here, easy name to remember, and they're going to help you create stuff like this. How you doing, Jeff?
I'm doing really good. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah. So tell me, what gets to this type of creation? What do I have to do to get to this type of creation?
Absolutely. So Whiteclouds is basically a service company, and so we've created a system where you can come in with a drawing on a napkin, and we have designers in place and we have the printers in place to be able to take that drawing, create a 3D rendered file, and print it for you at our shop. So essentially, anything you can imagine, we can make physical, make something that you can hold in your hand.
Okay, so it could be an architect. You got a pamphlet here. It could be an architect if you wanted to build your dream house. You guys could even 3D print the furniture that's inside the house, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. We could take floor by floor, and we could print your bedroom, and have a fireplace in the corner, and show you what it would look like with your shower in another corner. And in addition to the different architecture things. Earlier we were discussing the fact that we could print, your face on Superman. We could throw your face.
I am Superman.
Right?
That's kind of silly.
We don't want to reveal that here, right?
Oh yeah, I am Clark Kent. I forgot about
the
that.
glasses on. Your identity is safe with us.
Okay.
Posable and static. We print in full color sandstone. So literally anything that you want to print, anything that you can dream up, chances are we can make it real.
You said full color sandstone, right?
Yes.
You don't do any other material?
We print in a number of different materials and use a number of different printers. And so we can print in everything from UV cured resins, really hard plastics, to really soft rubbers, really moldable, flexible rubbers for like stamps.
Okay.
We can print in full color sandstone, which are going to be more of this type of rigid full color print.
Okay.
And then your kind of everyday run-of-the-mill ABS and PLA that you see used in some of the desktop 3D printers that you'll see around here too.
All right, well that's great. We're going to talk about it more, and we will be right back, and we'll find out some price points too. If it wasn't for our sponsors, we wouldn't be doing the CES 2014 action. Dropcam is one of those sponsors. They have great prices available for cameras that you can put anywhere in your house. If I had a Dropcam, I could actually set it up in the living room and see what's going on. With the frigid temperatures that we had last week, I could have checked in on the house, made sure that the power was still going, or made sure that there wasn't any other problems, listened in if I could hear something, and go from there. So check it out. Go over and check out all the Dropcam models. Go over to TPN.TV/Dropcam. TPN.TV/Dropcam. Of course, it'll help our CES 2014 coverage. Thank you very much, Dropcam. All right, we are back, and we're talking about getting yourself a 3D model. Now, and notice on this one right here, which is a really nice spacescape, that you even got an LED light somewhere stashed in the corner there.
Yeah, we've got lights run throughout the entire print just to help kind of illuminate the details that you see inside this. And that's the beauty of 3D printing, is that not only are you printing an exterior, but everything inside of it as well can be printed at the exact same time. Okay. So all the details that you see on the inside were printed at the same time as the grass on the outside of the building.
Okay. So let's say I wanted to get something printed. Is it going to be like really expensive? Are we talking thousands of dollars here?
So it depends on what you're printing. Okay. This print here in that full color sandstone, this is a $300 print.
That's only $300.
Exactly. So this is a $300 print. If you're printing in more of the UV cured resin, that material is more expensive. So this print off to my right is actually a $1,000 print.
Wow.
Still if you think about the detail that's involved and the intricacy of the print, very affordable compared to the $300,000 printer it came off of.
Now, is that with design? If I give you a napkin,
Exactly.
Okay, so if I create my own design, am I even saving more money?
Absolutely.
Wow.
So if you're familiar with design software, yeah, absolutely. Save yourself a couple $100, bring it in, we'll knock it out for you.
That's crazy. Where do people go for more information?
You can visit us at whiteclouds.com.
All right, whiteclouds.com. Thank you very much, Jeff, for your time. So if you don't want a 3D printer, but you want stuff 3D printed, you can check out a service like Whiteclouds and get stuff like this made, which is pretty darn awesome. I don't think I'd even come close to making something like this. So we got a lot of great content coming at CES 2014. There's a lot of people over here because Martha Stewart's right over in the next booth here. So Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine.com, TPN.TV. Check it out.